Hello, how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV. So let's start this vlog by saying good night. Look how dark it is outside. Time right now is 11:25. So peaceful. I love to end my day like this by sitting here for 5 minutes. It gives me a lot of peace. Today, after a long time, I slept in the afternoon for almost, I think, 2 to 3 hours. I slept, so that's why everything became late. And right now, just finished washing dishes. I still have to wipe the counters and clean the kitchen, and then I can go to sleep. How are you? Don't forget to share that with me in the comment section below. Let's start this vlog by saying good night. Look how dark it is outside. Good night. Good night. Good morning. How are you? How are you and what are you doing? Don't forget to share that with me in the comment section below. Time right now is 8:40. So today is cleaning day for me. Cleaning is divided into so many sections in my house. Like if I change the bed sheets, clean the carpets and whole house except the bathrooms and kitchen, it will take me 3 hours to clean the entire house. So today is that day where I clean the entire house except the bathroom and kitchen, and then I handle kitchen separate day because it alone takes 3 hours, and bathrooms on a regular basis because they at one single bathroom takes me half an hour, so that is handled on a separate day. This is how I divide my cleaning. How do you divide your cleaning? And cleaning the cabinets and baseboards and all that thing is again a separate cleaning schedule. So much cleaning needs to be done. Sometimes I feel like you have lesser stuff, it's easy to maintain. I'm at that stage. How about you? I'm satisfied with what I got, but so much to take care of. It literally, like, my mind is calculating when to do, how to do. It's always calculating. That's how I feel. How do you feel? Don't forget to share that with me in the comment section below. So let's get this day started with a nice 30-minute walk, and then we'll handle the rest of the day. In spite of all the tensions and all the hard work that goes into it, at the end of the day, when I clean stuff and when it's clean, it gives me so much happiness. It's unbelievable. I like doing my own work. No outside help. I don't like outside help, so I do it myself. How do you manage? I like the I like to open all the windows of the house when I clean to let the fresh air in and let the cooking smells and all the smells in the house to go out. It really feels so good. It's a little bit cold right now, but it feels so fresh and so cool. Time right now is, you can see, 10:35, and I finished cleaning. The entire house is sparkling clean, like literally sparkling clean. Everything changed a few things around, and my hibiscus plant comes in every night because temperatures are still dropping, as I said earlier. Anyway, I still have to wash the dishes, so let's get this day ended by washing dishes. We still have to buy the living room sofa. We have not yet decided. This is outdoor furniture we are currently using, but we need to get a sofa, but we'll find it when we find it. So let's clean up the kitchen and then we can call it a day. A bird is sleeping in the front porch. I'll show you. I don't know if you can watch it, but there it is. Light is not on. I don't want to disturb it. good night. This is it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and stay happy. Bye and good night. This is how calm it is in the night. Good night.